Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Green Country Custom Baits product review today. You've been seeing me paint these glide baits here in the last few weeks. We're going to be testing them underwater today, see what their action are. These are knockoff or blank baits that you can get from many different online places. I'll leave a link in the description below from where these are from. This one's painted up in the Grand Shad. We're going to be testing it in the tank. So here's the lure we're going to test. We're going to make a few pitches and see if it's a rise, sinker, what is it? I don't know if you can see that, but it does swing. It is a sinking bait. This is just a very slow retrieve. It has a good S shape to it. That was quite a bit faster of a retrieve there. Kind of rolls, that's a little too fast, so you got to find a particular cadence that you like. We'll try a stop and go retrieve. Kind of limited to the size of the pole here, but on just a slow, steady retrieve, it's got a nice S-shaped swim type motion that you get out of other baits. But you know, the true test is, will it catch fish? So we're making another cast here, and just to kind of conclude the thoughts on the action of this particular bait and kind of the review of this product from Alternative Lures, I'm real happy with it. I'm not a glide bait fanatic. In fact, own very few of them, but really enjoyed seeing the underwater footage. I think that it has a very natural feel to it. But if you guys out there are big swim bait or glide bait people, please comment below and tell the viewers if you've used these particular lures for an extended amount of time or lures like this. Let's do a comparison. I don't have any high-end glide baits in order to compare to, so that'd be great for our viewers to hear from some of you more experienced glide baiters out there. But overall, I really like it. It's got a great swimming motion. Obviously, the color scheme on this one's second to none. LOL. And but anyway, guys, I appreciate you checking out the review. We're going to continue to roll some underwater footage here so that you guys can see it. We'll do a couple of side casts here in just a few minutes where bait's coming across the screen. But all in all, real happy with Alternative Lures. I'm going to do another type of glide bait that I received from Alternative Lures, as well as a few others down the road. We got the pool all ready to go this summer so we can get back to testing our lures. So again, guys, from Green Country Baits. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next week.